doorknob hit the wall again. Pretty common problem around the home today, but we'll take care of that the easy way. Anybody can do this repair. First of all, have a piece of drywall at least 4 times the size of the holes. You can see there 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that piece of drywall, put up over the hole to the point that you know the hole is buried at least within the 1/4 of the sheet of drywall. Take a drill. This can be a hand drill. I'm using electric drill. Drill a hole right through both pieces, knowing that in behind that drywall is bridging over the hole that's going to be repaired. Now what you've done, you've marked first of all the patch as well as the area that's going to be removed and repaired. There's the last piece, and there's the damaged portion taken away from the wall. Now we want to cut the pattern that we have pre-drilled, but we're going to now cut on the inside of the holes. Take your piece now and bring it up the side, break it, cut it off. And then the last one, break it and cut it off. Now, taking that patch and putting it in the hole, you can see it's quite a bit smaller, but that's not the concern that you have. We'll show you now what to do. Scribe, put it in behind. Now we can get in behind. There we have. Now, it bridges in behind, and that's what we want. Take it out. Take a little bit of drywall mud. Not even necessary to buy a large quantity. You can buy it just in a small tube. Total patch. Take that back in. Set it in behind. Pull it to you. And you can see it oozing out. Now, that will hold it in place, with the exception we don't want to wait for it to set up within the, say, 15 or 20 minutes. So we're going to take a screwdriver and put a drywall screw through the face of the drywall, back in to screw to the bridge portion that we put back in behind. And that'll hold it in place. Now, as you can see, we have the patch and the backer in place. Take a drywall knife, move that to the center, any of the waste, the excess. And now we're going to take the patch, put a little drywall filler in the back of it, and set it into place. There we have. And now we can take another drywall screw and screw that back into the bridge point. Now you want to go around and sand, just roughing the face of the finished wall. And then from that point, again, a little bit of drywall mud on both surfaces, and bring it on around and down, up. And take drywall paper. You don't have to leave it in its roll, and very simply take it and put it into the mudded section and troweling that across. Once you get all your paper in place, and then you can leave until further sanding after the first drying. Sponge it off with a damp sponge and wait for the next day for curing and sanding and filling over the next couple of days. Then it's ready for painting the finished wall color. It's just that easy.